This is Bob with Film the Police, and looks like Molalla police have someone pulled over.
How you doing, sir?
All right,
What can I do for you?
just filming the stop. Just filming the stop.
Oh, that's a buddy of mine. That's not a stop.
Okay. Hey, where's the fire at around here?
All over the place. It's still pretty high. It's moving pretty slow right now, so.
Really?
Yeah.
So it's not in Molalla?
It's not in Molalla yet, no. It has the potential to be here, but it's not in Molalla yet, no.
Okay, I've seen a lot of horse trailers going by.
Yeah, they're going out and if people can't get their animals out, they're helping try to rescue animals and get them out of here.
Okay. So
yeah.
how far out is it?
I can't give you a good answer on that because I haven't been up there.
Yeah.
You can find it on the internet. It has a pretty good map of where the fire's at and stuff. But there's multiple fires. So.
Huh.
But are you from here in Molalla?
Portland.
Portland. Okay. Okay. Yeah. No, that was a buddy of mine.
Oh, okay.
So, but all right, sir. Anything else I can help you with?
No, that was basically it.